Oh my God, Bling family, I did it. I put the baby on the Converse. Look at her. I know she look greasy and stuff, but she's not, trust me, she's not greasy or sticky at all. She's secure. Stay tuned if you want to see how I got this cute little baby on these Converses, okay? Okay, these are the supplies you're going to need. You're going to need some fabric transfer paper. This is cotton. You're going to need some heat bond. I have the Ultra Hold. Some scissors. And you're going to need a pair of sneakers. I'm using Converse. Okay, I think that's pretty much it just to get the baby on there. I will be showing you how I do my crystal work, and of course you're going to need crystals, so I'll get back to that later. But these are the main things you need. Okay, oh, computer, laptop, and a printer. If you already have a picture or something, that's great, but if you need to download something, you know. Okay guys, so I'm in my picture images and I'm about to select the little baby that I'm going to put on the Converses. Okay, so this is what she looks like. She's so cute. So the picture that I originally had black all around it, so I had to just try to get most of the black out. So when I print it out, I don't have so much black. There's just wasting black ink. So it'll just be like a thin outline around her, and these are her little afro puffs. I have to also, you know, they're not that big, but I'm gonna see where most of it ends and just cut all that out. Okay, so I'm gonna print it now. I just wanted to see what it looks like up close. Okay, so this has to be very small because it's going on the side of the Converse. So I'm going to change this so it can fit. Okay, so you see how that just went a little bit smaller. Now I'm going to make 3 because I'm going to have one as a test. Okay. Okay, so remember it has to go on the side right here. So I can't have it really big. I'm gonna go ahead and start printing and see what happens. Now this, on the back of this, you're gonna rip this off. When it comes off, you can heat press it and it'll stay. This also is a heat bond if you need some type of bonding for any material, any fabric to another fabric. So this already has adhesive to it. But I think I saw something where you can put it on top. I just want to create a seal for the top of it. So that's why I created another little baby. I want to try it out and see if I can get a seal on top. Wish me luck. I'm going to see if I can do this. I'm just going to cut her out. I'm trying to get most of the black off of her. So I'm going to heat press my little baby onto the side of my Converse. Now she is a little bit big for the Converse, so I'm going to have to do a little bit of trimming. So that's what I'm going to do. Just take a little bit off the bottom. Wish me luck. I'm going to put my heat press on now. Okay, so this is what you do. I'm gonna take my baby here, and this side, the texture side, I'm gonna put it down on her like this and apply the heat. Then once the heat is on for about 4 or 6 seconds, then I can peel it off. But before I do that, I'm gonna have to cut around her again. So yeah, I'm gonna have to cut around her, and then hopefully she'll have a nice seal. So you're gonna do it this way. But also the issue is because this part, this part, I really don't want this part to heat press, because like I said, this comes off. This blue line, it comes off. I have some parchment paper down. It's a really old piece because once I do this, I'm gonna have to get rid of it. Okay, I'm gonna put the baby down. I'm just gonna put her on the side because I could use another half of this if it works for the other babies. Yeah, there we go. The texture side, okay? I'm gonna put that down on top of her. Okay. Now I'm just gonna put it down for maybe 4 to 6 seconds. Wish me luck. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's just do 5. Okay. Let's see. Now it's stuck. This is why I said that I won't be able to use this again. So while this is on here, I'm gonna cut away. Oh Lord, let's see. So it is stuck to both the parchment paper and the whole thing is just stuck. I see right here. There we go. Okay, good. Good. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut around. Now wish me luck. Okay, it's still firm because the backing of the transfer paper is still on. You want to keep that on. So now the Converse. I just want to size everything up. So she's going to go here. Now, of course, the top of it, I'm just going to trim it a little bit. I trimmed the bottom, but I'm going to trim it a little bit. And then whatever's left over is just going to fall over. Now, just be careful because what's going to start to happen, which is happening now, is it wants to separate. You want to try to keep that on there as long as possible. Okay, so now that you have that piece cut, you want to go ahead and take off the backing now. You want to make sure you take off the right one. Okay, so remember, this is the back. You shouldn't see the baby, you should just see white. And you should still have the front. All right, this is going to be a little bit difficult to hold the camera and record this at the same time, but it's just, you know, put this on top and put the iron on or the heat press on for like 4 to 5 seconds, okay? Do not keep it on there long. Know where you want to put it and just rest it down. So I'll be right back. Okay, so there you have it. I have both of the babies on the side of the Converse, and this is the outside. The inside is already covered with the crystals. Look how gorgeous that is. I'm so in love with how these are coming along. Okay. So up next is me creating the same design that's on this side, on this side.